So it's been about 13 months since I bought this bike and about 8 or 9 months since I started this channel. I was looking back at some of the older videos that I did. I've come a long way. You know, it's funny because you don't remember, you just don't remember, you know, what it was like, although it was only 9 months ago. On the first video that I did, I was terrified to put this bike on a highway. And I think the video was the very first video I made, was the first time I got on the highway with it. And now it's like, yeah, it's in my way. Got to get there. Get out of the way. Highway's the fastest way. What a long way. It's almost like a retrospective of the year, you know? It's kind of like, I remember some of the rides we took. We took a ride out to Jungle Habitat, an abandoned amusement park from the late 70s, early 80s. We talked about Action Park, which is a couple of miles away from Jungle Habitat. Took a ride up to the George Washington Bridge into Times Square during COVID. Trying to think what else we did. It was an exciting year. We did a lot of things. And then suddenly it all goes by. Oh, I ran out of gas. And I discovered what a petcock does. And then it got me out of trouble after making that discovery. Put lights, we went from thinking about putting decorative lighting, LED lighting, colored lighting on the bike, to shopping for it, to getting them installed. Yeah, I'm never going to quit that. We did all of that. We did a lot this year. We really did, for a guy who has, you know, just taken up this hobby. I'm really impressed with myself. This is like 2020, the year in review. I've decided that motorcycling is the perfect social distancing motorsport. I can't get next to anybody. I've got a helmet on my head. How much more socially distant can I get than that? I'm permanently wearing a mask. So 2020 has been a strange year. This is one of those years that I think children will read about. We'll talk to about our grandchildren. This is one of those strange years where 2020 is a strange year where our children are going to read about this in their history books. We'll talk to our grandchildren about it and say, I was there. You didn't miss shit. Oops, now it's time to get beeped. Well, hopefully 2021 is a better year from a motorcycling perspective. Hopefully I'll keep my skills getting better and better, and we'll get to do more and more stuff. I was talking to my friend. He does one of those ride-along things, you know, like a bunch of people go together for a ride. Hopefully by the spring, I'll have enough oomph to be able to make that ride. I don't know how many miles to gallon this motorcycle gets. I really don't. It's, I think it gets about 40 is what it says in the manual. And I'm not sure how many the tank holds, so I'm not sure when I take it for a ride exactly how far I can go. Now, I did see on Amazon, it looked like somebody was carrying, I don't want to say it was a thermos, because it wasn't a thermos, but it looked like a thermos. It was a tube that was designed to carry spare gas. And, you know, it's like if you ran out of gas, you had gas with you, but it wasn't a thermos, you know, it was designed for this. But you know what? I'm looking at that and I'm thinking, I want to buy one of those. Yeah, I mean, it's great to have it should I run out of gas. But forget about running out of gas. Even today, I bought gas, and I guess the angle of the tank and the nozzle, you know, that they have in Northern Jersey. Northern Jersey has, excuse me, Northern Jersey, COVID, no kidding. Northern Jersey has at the top of the nozzle, it looks like a spring that covered in black plastic, and you have to push it in. So it's not like in Pennsylvania or New York where it's just the tube and the tube goes in and you could fill it. So because you got to push that spring in, you always wind up overfilling your tank, and it splashed all over the tank, and I had to clean off the tank, and so on and so on and so on. If I had that little tube, you know, I could just fill it up. I could fill up my little tube and then fill my bike through the tube, and then I don't have to worry about splashing the bike so badly like I did today or ever. And if I run out of gas, I've got spare gas. I've got saddlebags to carry it. off to Amazon I go to go find myself that tube later today. The other thing, I found my old chin strap, the one that was holding my GoPro. It was in my wife's car on the floor. So I may use it again someday. I don't know. But she was telling me, oh no, you have it. You took it. I'm sure you took it. If I had it, I'd know. There it is on the floor of our car. Well, you have it. You didn't know. Husband and wife thing, you'll find out. Okay guys, really quick video. I just want to wish you all a very happy, healthy, wonderful 2021. Thank you for riding along with me. Thank you to those of you who have sent me comments throughout the past couple of months that I've started this channel. Thank you to the subscribers. Thank you to those of you who have given me some likes. And I hope you have a wonderful 2021. I hope we all have a wonderful 2021. I think we've paid our dues and I think we all earned it. So, as I said, this is a quick one. Happy 2021. Ride safe. Have a wonderful new year. And hit the like, hit subscribe, send me some comments. Doesn't cost you anything and you make somebody happy. Take care. Bye-bye.